The Delhi High Court has ruled that the language used in the TVF web series Collegeromance does not pass the moral decency community test of a common person and slips into the area of obscenity. Well, hello everyone, I'm Apurva Pandita and welcome to LiveLaw. So recently the web series called Collegeromance was in spotlight after the Delhi High Court had remarked that the sexually explicit language used in this series could corrupt impressionable minds. In simple language, it can corrupt those who can be easily influenced. The petition was filed by TVF Media Ltd, challenging the order passed by the Additional Sessions Judge of the Rohini District Court. In the complaint that was filed against the petitioners, it was alleged that the series Collegeromance is in violation of the provisions of Section 292 and 294 of IPC, Section 67 and 67A of itact, Section 2C, Section 3 and Section 4 of Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act as well. To give a bit of the background, let's go back into 2019. So in September 2019, the Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate of the Rohini District Court had passed an order directing the concerned SHO to register an FIR against the petitioners under appropriate provisions of law. After this order, a revision petition was filed by the petitioners, and then the Additional Sessions Judge in November 2020 passed another order that the FIR should be registered only under Section 67A of the IT Act and the sections pertaining to IPC should be dropped. Now, challenging this order of the ASJ, the petitioners reached the Delhi High Court. And in order to decide the case fairly, the court had itself watched a few episodes of the web series. The court said that it had to use earphones to watch the episodes as the language used was such that would have shocked and alarmed the people around. Justice Swarnakanta Sharma also observed, and I quote from the order itself, "This is not the language that the nation's youth or otherwise citizens of this country use, and this language cannot be called the frequently spoken language used in our country." She also said that the fact that some of the words used in the series cannot even be reproduced in the judgment for adjudication, this fact clearly indicates that the extent of profanity of the language used in the web series, the kind of foul language used in the web series. Especially focusing on the male protagonist of the series, namely Bagga, it was observed that he cannot be allowed to pollute the language of the people. Emphasizing further that the web series cannot be allowed to corrupt young minds, the court held, and I quote, "The youth of this country is the most valuable asset of this country, who carries on its able shoulders the responsibility of maintaining the magnificence of the valuable culture, including the linguistic pride of this country. And a web series cannot be allowed to run unhindered, taking shade and safety of arguments that no law makes it punishable, or some people use such language. This has the tendency to corrupt the young minds and project that young generation speaks such language frequently." It also ordered that if any particular episode in question is still posted on any YouTube channel without classification, appropriate remedial steps will be taken by YouTube as per law, rules and regulations of the IT Act. The court also attracted the attention of Ministry of IT to these kinds of situations and ordered it to take steps to ensure stricter applications of its rules. Accordingly, the court held that since there was no classification or any warning on the ITD streaming platforms regarding the kind of language used, it was in clear violation of IT rules of 2021 as well. That was all for today's video. I hope that you like our content. And if you do, then do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more such updates, keep watching LiveLaw.